This 5-minute solution will show you how to send Apple gift card via email from your iPhone. So you can send Apple gift card via email to your friend by following these quick steps. Open your App Store. Tap on your profile photo at the top right. Tap on Send gift card via email. Enter here your friend email address. Now write here your name. You can write a message here. Now select a gift card. Tap on next. Select a theme from here. Tap on next. Tap on buy. Buy now. Continue. And enter here your credit or debit card information. Tap on done and follow next procedures to complete it. That's how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.